Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to run Outlook in safe mode on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. Running Outlook in safe mode is actually a pretty straightforward process, and it's incredibly useful when you're troubleshooting issues with the application or when certain add-ins might be causing problems. Safe mode launches Outlook with a minimal set of features which helps you identify what might be going wrong with your normal setup. First, you'll want to locate your Outlook app launcher on your desktop or taskbar. This is the Microsoft Outlook icon that you normally use to open the application. Now here's the key part that makes this work. Before you open Outlook, you need to hold down your control key on your keyboard. Make sure you're holding it down firmly before proceeding to the next step. While you're holding down the control key, go ahead and double-click on the Outlook icon. It's important that you keep that control key pressed down the entire time you're clicking. This combination tells Windows that you want to launch the application in a special diagnostic mode rather than the standard way. After you double-click while holding control, you'll notice a small window will appear on your screen. This window is prompting you to confirm whether you actually want to start Microsoft Outlook in safe mode. The reason this prompt appears is because you're holding down the control key, which Windows recognizes as the trigger for safe mode. The system wants to make sure this is intentional and not an accidental keystroke. In this prompt window, you'll see a Yes button. Simply click on Yes to proceed with starting your Outlook in safe mode. Once you click this, Outlook will launch without any add-ins or customizations that might be causing issues. This clean environment allows you to work with Outlook's core features and determine if your problem is related to the application itself or to third-party extensions you've installed. And that's it. You've successfully launched Outlook in safe mode on Windows 11. This diagnostic mode can be incredibly helpful for troubleshooting crashes, slow performance, or other issues you might be experiencing with the application. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.